Hello, I am Dr. Anilkumar Sathe, Associate Dean Examination at the School of Engineering and Sciences under the umbrella of MIT-ADT Design and Technology University. At the School of Engineering and Science, we believe that a strong academic and examination system is the foundation of students' success. We strictly follow the rules and regulations laid down in the university academic and examination ordinances, with every process governed by well-defined standard operating procedures, right from question paper setting to examination conduct, evaluation, result processing, and even the open day for the students. Our evaluation system is built on strict discipline, transparency, and academic integrity. We maintain rigorous protocols and ensure complete confidentiality at every stage to preserve the sanctity of the examination process. We follow a comprehensive continuous evaluation system that includes open book tests, MCQ-based assessments, assignments, presentations, group discussions, laboratory work, project-based learning, ensuring holistic assessment beyond just theory syllabus. We also ensure unbiased and fair evaluation system where every student is assessed purely on a merit through a transparent system that builds trust and credibility. Our goal is to make students not just make them exam ready but career ready by developing critical thinking, problem solving skills, technical competency, and professional ethics. At MIT-ADT University, you don't just earn a degree, you gain the knowledge, you gain the discipline, you gain the mindset needed to conduct and get succeed in a rapidly evolving world. So students, what you are waiting for? Join the School of Engineering and Sciences under the umbrella of our famous university, MIT-ADT Design and Technology University. So, you are always welcome in our university, in our School of Engineering Science. We are here to make you multifaceted engineer, to cater the society needs, and more importantly, with great ethics and moral values. Thank you.